Hey guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And in today's video of It's Not Hard to Get a Face Mask Right, we will be trying a luxury face mask, and that would be Eve LOM's Rescue Mask. So this rescue mask is supposed to help reduce blotchy skin and at the same time enhances, cleanse, and exfoliate skin. At the end, it's also supposed to be a moisturizer. So we're going to try this $85 mask. Side note, I didn't get it for $80. You know how much I got it for? At the local TJ Maxx for what? $27.99. So if you are looking to try this mask, you can find it at your local TJ Maxx for $30. I'm so excited to try a really expensive mask for cheap. I got it at TJ Maxx because a lot of you guys were asking me, go to TJ Maxx, stop shopping at eBay. eBay is messy. You're having too many problems with the eBay sellers. So go to TJ Maxx. Found the mask. I wish they would start selling Laneige. They need to start selling other things, okay, besides Eve LOM and a few other brands I seen. I need Laneige there ASAP. I also want to see SK2. I also would like to see, some other skincare brands. Caudalie, I would like to see at the local TJ Maxx. Come on, TJ Maxx, we need you. We need you to get it together in the skincare section. You got everybody in the mama in the makeup section. Let's get everybody and their mama in the skincare section. This is what the texture of the mask looks like. I am going to swatch it. I do want to say this. You may need to go ahead and stir the mask. I had to stir it. It had like a liquid at the top. I don't know what it was. But this is the swatch of the mask. Can you guys see? Let me turn the light up so we could get a better swatch. Is what they look like. So let's go ahead and put this mask on our face. I am going to smell it at the same time because we got to kill two birds with one stone. Oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, so now that I've applied the mask to my face, let me smell it. Oh, whoa. It smells like eucalyptus. It's not eucalyptus. That smells like something else, and I need to figure out what that smell is. You know what it is, you guys? You know what it is? It's camphor. That's camphor. Okay, so I do want to mention camphor does induce labor. So if you are pregnant, you may not want to use camphor in anything that has skincare products. Camphor is an essential oil that is said to induce labor. If you don't believe me, Google it. So be careful when you're pregnant with the eucalyptuses, camphor, menthol, stuff like that. Certain essential oils will induce labor, and this does have camphor in it. I thought it was eucalyptus, but it's actually camphor, and camphor is really strong. So camphor smells like Vicks. It's like Vicks Vapor Rub for those who don't know. So if you like Vicks Vapor Rub, you love the smell of Vicks, that is what this mask smells like. So it really is interesting that they called it a rescue mask to have on your face. So your face is being rescued and your nose is being decongested. I love it. I could see why it's worth $85 for the camphor alone, and they put it pretty high on the ingredient list. However, you're not charging me $85 for no kaolin clay. How dare you? How dare you try to charge me $85 for some kaolin clay? Okay, you guys, so I'm back. It says leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. And then it's supposed to dry. So that is what we're going to do. I want to tell you guys that it does have a tingling sensation, and it's like tingling, it's no burning, a little invigorating, like it's an invigorating sensation, and that is because of the camphor, and that's why I'm like, oh, all congested. And like I said, as a reminder, if you are pregnant, please know that camphor does induce labor, so you might not want to use this in your skincare regimen until after your pregnancy. You may have to wait a whole decade before you can use this mask. I was pregnant for 10 months, so you ain't gotta wait a decade, girl, before you use this mask. They take forever to cook in the uterus, so I'm just letting you know. Okay, be careful with this mask. With that being said, yeah, let's go ahead. Side note, when I was pregnant, I didn't use any essential oils with camphor. I didn't do any of that when I realized I was pregnant, because I didn't know for a good couple of weeks. Okay, you guys, the mask is dry, or as dry as it's going to get. Let's go ahead. Now it says once it's dry, rub it in an upward motion. So I guess you could, oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not rubbing this in an upward motion. They're on drugs. You know what? I will be back to rinse this off my face, and then we could talk about it. Like my floor, look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. We are not about to do this. I did do the upward motion in the sink. It does say do an upward motion with your fingertips. I guess that's to help the exfoliation of the mask, and then rinse off with the damp cloth, not rinse off your face. However, I did not do that because I didn't need a mess. I have a toddler who's messy. I don't need to be cleaning up my messes and her messes 50 million times a day. So I didn't need all the mess that was going to accumulate with this mask. So that's why I rinsed my face. But I'm going to dry my face. So my face is dry. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and look in the mirror. Oh, wow. Oh my God. I am actually impressed. Now, my skin's been looking messed up. I haven't been eating a lot of vegetables like I should. I really need to get back on my hippie kick. And it's been a while after my pregnancy and I haven't got back on my hippie kick. So I'm starting to get there. I'm juicing more. I'm drinking my carrot juice. I'm having more broccoli and rice in my diet than I used to. So I'm trying to get back on my little hippie kick. However, I will say this mask really looks great on my skin, but you know what? Let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about the Eve Loom Rescue Mask, and I'm actually going to give this a 4 out of 5. I would have gave it a 5 out of 5. However, that $85 price tag, I just can't justify kaolin clay and camphor for $85. Eve Loom. Not only that, water and glycerin for $85. Really, almond seed meal. I mean, come on now. You know, $85 is a lot. This really isn't Tatcha packaging to me. It's cute packaging, but Tatcha creates really great packaging, and this ain't Tatcha packaging for $85. So I'm trying to figure out where the $85 price tag came from. However, I will say this. I think you should buy this mask just to try it. They do have samples, and TJ Maxx, I want to say Target, but TJ Maxx does sell this mask, and they always have this mask in stock, and this is the full size for $27.99. I know after I bought it at TJ Maxx, I seen it on eBay inside the packaging and everything for $25. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, with that being said, you guys, I really did enjoy the mask. I thought it was really hydrating. I felt my skin perking up after this mask. This mask has made my skin supple. I felt my skin feeling dry and dull when I got on camera. It was looking messy. I can actually see this mask bringing back the tone of my skin. So I am really excited for this mask. And also, it did not dry the skin out. I was expecting it to be a little more drying because kaolin clay can be drying, and it is the first ingredient. And for it to not dry my skin out, make my skin feel nice and supple, and all I have to do is add a moisturizer and go, I am all for it. So you know what, Eve Loom, I really like this mask, and I'm excited to try more products from your company. And I rarely give luxury products a 4 out of 5 because I just think for the price tag, the only products that are luxury that I really truly enjoy is Caudalie. I love their products except that grapefruit sorbet. However, this is a brand I can actually get with. I really like this mask. I love the camphor in it. It really invigorates the skin, and that's probably why my skin looks so good, is because of the camphor. And it feels good if you have allergy, sinus issues. Like, to feel the camphor get into your nose. It's like literally relaxing. Just imagine a Vicks face mask smeared all over your face with an invigorating, tingling sensation. And that's what this mask feels like. With that being said, I felt my pores were smaller. My face looks really good and I am happy. And I think you should try it. Go ahead, get a sample. I'm not telling you to buy a big one. However, it is $27.99 at Target. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social medias. It's TikTok, because you know we get down with the tick. We get down with the top. We got to tick, tick, tick to the top, top, tick to the top. To the top, to the top, top. Anyways, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.